welcome back to my channel. Another round of Memorydex cards from Scrapaholics chipboard. I am really excited to share. Don't forget, I have a coupon code Gen15 throughout the 18th of this month. So what I have to show you today, this is the slushy cup. Super excited. Fun shaker. Love it. I did this with Hey Pumpkin. I just did a simple crepe paper rosette in the center, accordion folded, kind of like a drink sleeve, a cup sleeve in the back. I did this fun bow from Scrap Diva Designs. Really like how this turned out. And then this one is the mason jar Memorydex. This does come in a shaker as well. I also use some of the mini lemons that are in the shop. A lot of fun. This is with the Simple Stories Vintage Lemon Collection. This is one of my favorites. I did this with Merry Little Christmas by Minté, the cocoa mug with the gingerbread and the candy cane in the background. I did a little floral cluster up here. I added some cute clay pieces. I really like this, super pretty. And then I did this one. This is the cupcake shaker. This too comes in an embellishment, and I did this with the Luna collection. The Boo is also from Scrapaholics chipboard. This is a new release as well. I did one of her spiders in the corner here. I did some handmade flowers, just some of the chipboards from the collection. I love how this turned out. This is the back here. And then last but not least, I had promised a tutorial on the VW van. This was my original. This is just the embellishment that she is doing, but I am actually going to show you how to put together the Memorydex card. Now, I know this one seems a little complicated because there are a lot of pieces to it, but trust me, it's really not that bad. And I'm gonna do a fun twist on this with a Christmas theme, so stay tuned. I've already painted the Memorydex card and components. Just a little white paint on the sides. And this is the smaller pieces that I've taken apart. The only one that you're not going to see on there is the peace sign, but I'm doing a Christmas theme for this, so I have other plans for it. All I did with these, the windows, I painted with a white acrylic, and then I went over with this snow embossing powder, and it just leaves like a really nice shimmery look. I actually did it on this one as well, and I had painted it in a light blue, and then I put the snow embossing powder over that as well. And then for the rest of them, I did emboss these too. I did a vintage champagne on them, and I purposely did not paint them before because I wanted a little bit of the chipboard peeking through so that it almost kind of looks like rust. I also cut out most of the SVG file. You'll notice that I did not cut the smaller pieces out because I knew that I was going to kind of play with those a little bit and do the embossing powders. Now, let's put it together. So I did cut 2 pattern paper in the Memorydex base. Now, I would normally reverse this, but I actually wanted to use the reverse side of this paper, so I did not reverse it when I cut it out. But just remember to mirror the image when you duplicate it. I'm just gonna set that aside and start working on the car portion. So this smaller piece right here is actually going to get glued on top of that. I have it all adhered together, and now it's just time to decorate, and I will be back to show you the finished product. So here's the finished product. Super excited. So I used this, I made the license plate out of one of the chipboard stickers from the collection. I used Merry Little Christmas from Mintay. As you can see, I did a floral cluster up here. The base of the cluster are some of the holly chipboards, new release over at Scrapaholics. I just layered a couple poinsettias from my collection. These are handmade. Let me see. This is just one of the children's ornaments from Hobby Lobby. And then I added this bottle brush wreath to the front with a little satin ribbon bow on top. And I love how it turned out. Super cute. So thank you for watching. Don't forget, you have one more day to take advantage of the giveaway that I'm hosting on my channel. I will leave that video in the description box. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Head on over to Scrapaholics Chipboard. I have a discount code GEN15 until the 18th of this month. I will see you in the next crafty video. Bye!